Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Guru's Biology. In today's lecture we are going to learn about types of reproduction. There are two types of reproduction. First one, a sexual type of reproduction, and another one is the sexual type of reproduction. Let's go start with the asexual type of reproduction. Asexual reproduction does not involve the fusion of two compatible gametes. It is the process resulting in the production of the genetically identical progeny from a single organism and inherit the genes of the parents. Next and important term is the clones. Let's go see the clones. Morphologically and genetically identical individuals are called clones. There are different types of asexual type of reproduction, namely fragmentation, budding, and spore formation. Let's go start with the first type of asexual reproduction, that is the fragmentation. In this, multicellular organism can break into fragment due to one or other reasons. The organism, after breaking into the fragments, grow into the new individuals. Example of fragmentation is the Spirogyra. Let's start the new type of the sexual reproduction, that is the budding. Budding is the most common method of asexual reproduction in unicellular yeast. Budding takes place during favorable condition by producing one or more outgrowths. These outgrowths are known as buds. These buds, after separation from the mother organism, develop into the new individual. Next type of the asexual reproduction, that is the spore formation. In Cladomonas, asexual reproduction occurs by the flagellatal motile zoospores, which can grow independently into the new individuals. Types of asexual reproduction, that includes binary fission. This binary fission occurs in amoeba paramecium. Next is the conidia formation. This conidia formation takes place in the penicillium. And another one is the gemule formation. This gemule formation takes place in the sponges. Let's go towards the next part of the reproduction chapter, that is the vegetative reproduction. Plant reproduce asexually through their vegetative parts. The new plants formed are genetically identical to their parents. There are also few methods which would not occur naturally in the plants. Agriculture and horticulture exploit the vegetative reproduction in order to multiply fresh stock of the plants. Artificial methods are used to propagate the desired varieties according to human requirements. The various methods are as follows, like cutting. In this, the small piece of any vegetative part of a plant having one or more bud is used for propagation. It is divided into the three subparts, like the stem cutting, lip cutting, and the root cutting. Example of stem cutting is the rose, lip cutting example is the sansevieria, and root cutting example is the blackberry. Next type, that is the grafting. In this, parts of the two plants are joined in a such way that they grow as one plant. The part of the stem containing more than one bud, that is the scion, is jointed onto a rooted plant called stalk is called grafting. It also involves the bud grafting. In the bud grafting, only one bud is joined on the stalk. Example, that is the apple, rose, pear. Next part from the vegetative reproduction is the tissue culture. Tissue culture is the method by which a small amount of plant tissue is carefully grown to give many plantlets. These all methods are very useful for the obtaining desired plant species, which can give more yield for the human being.